Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about almonds, and I have some suggested flavor and food combinations that are known to work well with almonds. So if you're looking for some very specific ideas on what to do, something a little different to do with almonds, hopefully this will help you out. Pair almond butter with bananas on top of your favorite toast. How about almonds with apricots and lemon? Almonds with basil, French green beans, and peaches. That's a different combo. How about almonds with bell peppers, chilies, garlic, sherry vinegar, and tomatoes? How about almonds with bell peppers, garlic, and tomatoes? Almonds with blackberries and yogurt, yum. Almonds with blueberries and ricotta cheese, another yum. Almonds with blue cheese and watercress. Almonds with breadcrumbs, garlic, olive oil, parsley, and tomatoes. Almonds with cayenne, chili powder, and lime. Almonds with chocolate and coconut. Almonds with cream, orange, and polenta. Almonds with dates and rice. Almonds with honey, ricotta, and vanilla. Almonds with lemon and maple syrup. And almonds with oats and peaches. That sounds like a delicious breakfast to me. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.